Why are you watching TV in your frickin' car? You're literally like watching TV. You got your phone on your dashboard and you're literally watching like a YouTube video or something. And you're not watching my videos either, so I'm really pissed about that too. At least watch something of quality. Ugh, people. They suck. Toyo turd.
Circulatory system, there are tiny little probes reporting back to
really? Yeah, cut off the truck and the van that I'm driving to. So, yeah, good job. Country's proud of you.
It's done all that often, but it does happen. And in that
Whoa.
tradition, you take the...
See if that got on camera. Yeah, you gotta check both ways if you're taking the turn wide.
Well, watch out for Texas then, because that's where the sample's going.
Oh, so, Texas, not Utah?
It's landing in Utah, and then it's going to go to Johnson Space Center.
Yeah.
So,
oh, gotcha. Okay, yeah.
Nissan driver ran the red light run, red light run. That was pretty awful, Nissan drivers. Y'all are stupid. Stop it.
Bullshit, which is almost never the
nice cutoff. Cock.
So I thought I'd leave you all like to tell us about your...
Although it was for a kind of good reason, but still, you're dumb.
The guys in Jersey like, we drive these, drive it.
Nice cutoff. Whoa! Really?
A few moments later.
Really? Again!
And then 100%. If I'm trying to sell my house, I try to get as much money as possible for my house, let's say, and I might try to do those things together.
Stop.
But that's not...
That's kind of a dual turn fail. I'm gonna count that.
From completion, and the 5 teams that were left finished their work without really talking to each other. The final result was a boat that was built extremely top.
Prepare to fast forward!
Preparing to fast forward.
Fast forward!
Fast forwarding, sir.
Recovery consultant. I'm very pleased about my guest today. We met on Twitter. He's become a Twitter.
Whoa, what the fuck? Why are you...
If everyday people are not familiar with the story of one of the most amazing and spectacular warships ever built, the Vasa. Now, ships in the 17th century were something very special.
Wait, I'm singing the wrong song. But I'm streaking,
Into the zone, the way he undresses people, and you know, it'll be exciting. It looks like Perry will be his line mate. That's who he's been skating with. And
yeah,
I just
he
hope
almost went up there.
I don't jinx anything. They don't play him again. I don't think they have another from
jump last night, and that jump was unfortunately Tutu Atwell.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
About these projects and how you can get a hold of them. Chris has traveling and lecture tour about a better
No,
life.
stop.
Speaking and screening the film in over 60 city row in any pew. Singing together, and singing feels so good. Music is so powerful, and when we're singing together with other people, it can be very moving. I'm thinking of the Canadian national anthem, but yeah, so kind of holding that tension, recognizing that yes, I am allowed to.
Gonna have any tonight? Well, you know what? Did anybody count? I counted 5 on one run Walker had. I counted at.
Nice cut off, nice, whatever the hell you're doing, yeah, remember that. Really? It's like, turn out on the 11 and make a left at the light. You have a lot better luck that way without screwing up. No, stop.
To say things and also, obviously to do things. Christians have harmed.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
Absolute red. What? He ran 7 times for 50.
No turn on red or left turn, whatever the. You saw what happened.
Yeah, over there I get free food. I would ask about like in Koreatown. Oh, Koreatown! Holy shit! This is my.
Hey, what are you doing?
Koreatown makes up for it. Seriously. Yes. Yeah. The other podcasts make you.
What? Why are you going on the wrong side of the road? There's cars coming. No, look, you would have turned at the same time anyways. I mean, come on. You're being dumb.
The AI art generators claiming that they violate copyright when referencing their works.
Red light, run. Red light, run. I doubt it, but it's a red light, red light, run. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut. We are in upstate New York. It's a lot better out here. Better than frickin' Connecticut or Massachusetts or any of those fucking states out there. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye! Woo!